Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about copy trading, right? Now we're on bitmart.com/AI slash copy dash trading slash en dash us, right? So we'll leave a link down below for that particular URL, right? So what you're looking at here is different copy traders, right? And what is copy trading exactly for the audience that may not know? It's so you kind of imagine you're on your journey or trading journey and you encounter a few seasoned pros, investors who are willing to let you see in real time every decision that they make. Even better, you can automatically replicate those decisions in your own account. That's the core idea behind copy trading, right? So in simple terms, the master equals an experienced trading expert, and copying equals automatically following the master's trades and replicating their strategy in your own account, right? So there's 6 core sort of elements of copy trading in BitMart Copy Trading 2.0 that you need to know. So it's AI powered enhancements. So they have, smart risk monitoring. They have AI. They have instant AI approval. They have strategy analytics, and they have a millisecond level execution too as well. So real-time synchronization, price protection, and abnormal activity alerts. And they have independent accounts, full fund controls as well. So you can fund isolation. Your funds always remain in your own account, right? Never held by the master. And the permission control. So masters only execute trades. They cannot move your money, right? Again, the trade is supposed to imitate what the master is doing, and then you can exit anytime. So you can stop the copy trading at any point in time. Then you have the comprehensive risk controls. So stop loss protection. You could, at any point in time, you can take your stop loss, automatically stops copying when losses hit a present limit, right? And then you also have the take profit strategy, or take profit targets, right? So automatically locks in profits at target levels, and drawdown protection, which exits the strategy if the profits fall by a preset percentage from the peak. You also have transparent models, or profit-taking models too as well. So profit-based fees only. So the master earns only when you earn, right? Typically around 10 and 30%. We're going to show you guys that in a little bit, just to give you guys a little bit of analysis of how that works. No fees on losses, right? So no commissions are charged to the account if you're losing money to the copy trader, and high watermark protection. So the fees only apply to profits above your previous peak balance, right? And you have daily settlement. Realized profits are settled and credited daily, right? And then you have full historic transparency at all times, so access to complete trade and profit records, right? And you also have smarter portfolio allocation, so you have multiple or multi-master copying, right? So follow multiple traders with different styles simultaneously, so you don't have to copy just one at the same time. And then you also have diversified risk, so you could balance high and low volatility strategies to reduce overall risk, and dynamic rebalancing, so adjust allocations based on real-time performances, right? And yeah, you have a lot of advantages here. So just want to go into one of these guys. Let's just check this Doge to 1 IU. So another advantage too that I wanted to highlight is the advantages of the BitMart's AI hub copy trading, right? So you have the daily profit sharing, so same day, same settlement too as well. So profit shares are calculated and paid on the same day, and you have better liquidity, so users don't wait, and you don't need to wait for days or weeks to access your earnings, right? And you have shorter settlement cycles versus industry average, and also boost trust. Timely and transparent profit sharing builds user confidence, right? And you can become a a master in 28 seconds. So it's not that hard to do that as well. And unlimited copier capacity too as well. There's no limit to how many users you can follow as well. And the better your performance, the more profit you earn through profit sharing, right? So here's a copy trader right now. There's a master. So you want to just take a look. So he has 2 copiers on his catalog, and he also has about 12% profit sharing model if you choose to go with him, right? And he has about $3,470 in assets under management, right? So that's the amount of money that he's currently managing. So it says here, let me go back to the overview. You can see the cumulative profit over the past 1 month is 9.76% with a win rate of 0%. Trades focused on Doge, ETH, with the top 3 accounting for 100%, right? And you also have the return on investment within a 24-hour time period that you can look at, and you can see that he's been able to generate 21.64% returns, and the profit and loss percentages right here, right? The P&L is around 606%, and so you could see that within a 7-day and 1 month time period too as well. So there's a bunch of key metrics that I would like you guys to also look at here on the left side. As you can see, the runtime, 5 days and 22 hours. And you can see some of the win rates here, the P&L ratio, top 3 volume share, last traded 2 days ago, right? And you could follow some of the trades, the patterns, where he lost, where he won, right? And that's the ROI within that monthly time span, right? Too as well. So yeah, you can also check out the position. Yeah, so you can see some of the positions that he's held so far. And you can see right now he has 2.865 ETH. And the value is around this much right here, right, in ETH. And you can see he's lost about 1,300 USDT, but he's been able to gain here in terms of the Dogecoin, right, that he's been able to trade. He's been able to get a total profit of roughly 1,872 USDT, right? So another thing too as well is the transfer. So you can look at that and see some of the transfers that he's had, whether that's futures or spot, because there's a difference between both. And then you can look at the followers as well, right? So this is basically how you're able to look and analyze this, right? So when you go, let's go check out. Yeah, so here's the copy trading. Let me see the AI hub. Yeah. So you can see in the AI hub top daily masters, right? And the 24-hour social sentiment from X too as well. So the extreme bullish right now. Assuming, if you want to become a master, why would you choose the AI hub order trader, right? So assuming you are an experienced trader who can steadily profit 15% per month, now there is an opportunity for you so you can continue to trade what you are good at and receive your normal profits. Let others pay to follow your strategies, right? That's the entire idea. They get a portion, or they give you a portion of their profits when you help them win. Okay? So that's basically how that would work in a nutshell. And we won't get too much into that, but you guys can go through the website to basically analyze and get all the full access to these features. We'll leave links down below. Like you can see here, in 28 seconds to become a master trader. And you basically go through all the steps, and you're able to create your portfolio very quickly. And yeah, showcase your skill sets and, be able to get paid for it. That's the entire idea. And yeah, there's so many different strategies that you can use. So yeah, I do hope you guys do like this type of content. If you do, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one, and peace.